Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear learner? I think you all are well. This is Muhammad Rafiqul Islam. Welcome to my class of my institution, Kent Public School and College, Saidpur. Today I will discuss the area of isosceles triangle. If the length of two sides and including angle are given, I will find area of this triangle, and I will also discuss area of scalene triangle. Let's start my class. Area of an isosceles triangle. The triangle, if their two sides equal, then the triangle is isosceles triangle. Here triangle ABC, whose AB and AC, these two sides are equal. Let us perpendicular draw from O to BC here AD. Since this is the isosceles triangle, so this AB and AC, these two sides are also equal. So this perpendicular AD will be the median of this triangle ABC. That is, length of BD is equal to length of DC are equal. Let AB AC is equal to A of an isosceles triangle ABC. AD is perpendicular to BC. If BC is equal to B, then BD is equal to DC is equal to half B by 2. In triangle ABD, if we apply Pythagoras theorem, then we get AD square plus BD square is equal to AB square. Here AD square, BD is equal to B by 2, so BD square, this is equal to B square by 4, and AB square, if we put the value of AB here A, then we get here A square, or AD square, A square, B square by 4, that is 4A square minus B square, or AD is equals to square root 4A square minus B square by 4, that is 4A square minus B square 2. The area of triangle ABC, this will be, since here AD is perpendicular to BC, half into base into a height, a half here base BC is equal to here B, and AD square root 4A square minus B square by 2, that is B by 4 square root 4A square minus B square. This is the area of isosceles triangle. Here A is the length of two equal sides, and B is the base of this triangle ABC. That is, here AB and AC is equal to A, and base BC is equal to B. So that the area of this triangle will be B by 4 square root 4A square minus B square. Suppose here A, B, C. The length of AB is equal to here C, and length of BC, this is equal to A. Here C and A, including angle here ABC, theta, AD is perpendicular to BC. If AD is perpendicular to BC, we can write here in triangle ABD, here sine ABD, sine is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Here opposite of ABD, AD, and hypotenuse opposite of 90 degree will be hypotenuse. Here AB is hypotenuse. Sine ABD, that is ABC, this angle here theta, and AB is equal to C, or AD C sine theta. Here have perpendicular AD on BC, so area of this triangle ABC is a half into base into height, and half BC A and AD C sine theta, a half AC sine theta. Okay, dear students, here triangle ABC, the length of side AB and BC is given. Here ABC and BC A, and including angle of these two sides theta, so area of triangle ABC, this will be half AC sine theta. For scalene triangle, length of three sides are not equal each other. There is these three sides length will be unequal. If the length of AB here C, BC here A, and AC B, so semi-perimeter 2S, this is equal to A plus B plus C, not semi-perimeter, perimeter 2S is equal to A plus B plus C, that is semi-perimeter S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So area of this triangle ABC, we get S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. This is the area for scalene triangle. Area of a scalene triangle. Dear student, with the help of this, I'll solve one math on exercise 16.1. I am writing here 4. The length of two sides, of a triangle are 25 centimeter, 27 centimeter, and perimeter is 84 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. The length of two sides of a triangle are 25 centimeter and 27 centimeter, and perimeter is 84 centimeter. We know perimeter, that is sum of three sides. So another side, length of another side, this will be 84 minus 25 plus 27, 84, 52, that is 32 centimeter. We are seeing here length of three side, here 25 centimeter, 27 centimeter, and another side here 32 centimeter. Since the length of three sides of these triangles are not equal, so this is the scalene triangle. So area of this triangle we will find by using formula square root s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Here s is the semi-perimeter of this triangle. Since here given perimeter of this triangle here 84, so perimeter 2s is equal to 84 centimeter, or s is equal to 84 by 2. That is, this will be 42 centimeter. Here a is equal to 25 centimeter, b is equals to 27 centimeter, c 32 centimeter. So area of the triangle is square root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. S here 42 minus 25, 42 minus 27, 42 minus 32. Uh, 42 minus 25, this will be 17. 42 minus 27, I think this will be 15, and 42 minus 32, 10. By using calculator, then we get this will be 327 as 26 square centimeter, approximately. Thanks for watching my class.